students, welcome to TM Education Channel. Class 10 English. First prose, A Letter to God. Author, G. L. Fuentes.
About the author. Gregorio Lopez Fuentes, 1895-1966, was a Mexican novelist, poet, and journalist. लेखकन का बिसयारे Gregorio Lope Fuentes Encara Janma 1895 o Mistithu 1966 Re Hoitila. Mexican Jane Opanyashika, Kabi Ebam Sambadika Thile. Fuentes started writing at the age of 15, when the Mexican Revolution began. Yetabele Mexican Biplaba Arambha Hela, Fuentes 15 Barsa Bayasare Lekhiba Arambha Kale. Many of his books are related to the civil conflict. His stories are exciting and humorous. Tankara Aneka Pustakagra, Samaja Bibada Sahita Jadita, Tankara Kahani Utsahajanaka Ebam Hasyeshpada. Many of his works are concerned with the oppression of Americans. He was awarded the National Prize of Arts and Science in 1935. Tankara Aneka Lekha American ka Upar Huthiba Achekara Sahita Jadita, Tinku 1935 Masihare Jatia Kala Ebam Bijnanara Puraskara Pradana Karaithila. A. Lead in. Have you ever written a letter to God? Apana kebe bhagabananku eka sithi lekhi chantiki. Did you ever come across someone writing a letter to God? Apana kebe kahaku samna kare chantiki. Bhagabananku kehi eka sithi lekhi bara. People believe faith can move mountains. But what should we put our faith in? This is the question the story delicately poses. Lukamane Bishwasa Karanti ye Bishwasa Parbata Guriku Gankai Pair, Kintu Aim Amara Bisbasa Kyumthi Rakhiba Usat. E Prasna E Kahanataya Rati Sundara Bhabare Bannana Hoichi. Lencho is a farmer who writes a letter to God asking for a sum of money. When his crops fail, Lenku jane karsaka yi bhagabananku eka sithi lekhanti ebam tanku tanka maganti, yetabele tankara fasala nasta hoyaithe.
Does Lencho's letter reach God? Does God send him the money? Lenso ka kithi ka, na bhagabanan ka nikatare pahansit thi baki. Bhagabana tanku tanka pathi thi beki. Think and try to answer these questions. Before you begin to read the story, try to imagine how it would develop and what conclusion it might arrive at. Kinta kara ba mehi prasnara uttara debaku kista kara, apna kahani parhiba arambha kariba purbaru, kalpana karibaku kista karantu. Eha kipari egku badithiba bam kam siddhantari pahansithiba. B. The text. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. Gharati samagra upatyakara ekamatra eka nimna pahadara sikharare basithila. From this height one would see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. एही ऊंचाथारू जाने व्यक्ति नदी बाम पेसिला सस्या क्षेतारे बिछे हुई थी बा फुला समूहकु देखे पारी बा सते परी सर्बादा भला अमालारा प्रतिज्ञा करियाची. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour. At least a shower. केवला पृथिवीरा एकमात्रा जिनसा ही क्षिता अबसिका करूथिला एका बरसा बा अटिकमारी एका सवारा अर्थात झिपी बरसा throughout the morning. Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. सकाले लेंसो ही निजा क्षेत्र को अंतरंगा भाबारी जनिथिला उत्तरा पूर्वा अकसकु देखिबा चढ़ा से हो किछि करुणा थिला. Now we're really going to get some water, woman. He मोरा स्त्री. वर्तमाना अमे प्रकृतारे किछि जला पइबाकु यौछु. The woman who was preparing supper replied, "Yes, God willing." रत्रिरा हाल का भोजाना करूठीबा महिला उत्तरा दिली, हम भगवाना इच्छा काले. The older boys were working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all, "Come for dinner." बड़ा पुमाने क्षेतारे कमा करूठिले. येते बेले छोटा पिलामाने घरा निकातारे खेलुठिले. ये पर्यंता महिला जनका सेमनन को दकिना थिले. रत्री भोजाना पे मसा. It was during the meal that, just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. भोजाना समायारे हिम लेंसो येउम पूर्वानुमाना करेथेला, बड़ा बरसा बंडा पड़ीबाकु लगिला. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. उत्तरा पूर्वारे बिसाला बदला खंदरा पर्वता पखी असूठी बारा देखिबाकु मिलिथिला. The air was fresh and sweet. Bayu Satiza Bam Madhura Thila. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned he exclaimed, "These aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins." व्यक्ति जनका अन्या कोनसी कराना पेम बहारा कु यना थिला तनका देहारे बरसा अनुभवा करीबारा आनंदा पैबाकु बाम से फेरीबा परी कितकारा कारी कहिला. एगुरी का अकसरु पादुठीबा बरसा नुहिम सेगुरी का नुआ मुद्रा. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little ones are 5s. बड़ा जलबंडगुरी का दासा सेटा खंदा बाम छोटा जलबंडगुरी का पंछा सेटा खंदा. With a satisfied expression he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers, draped in a curtain of rain. एका संतुष्टा अभिव्यक्ति साहिता से पेसिला सस्या क्षेताकु एहरा फुला साहिता विवेचना काले, बरसारा परदरे सस्या क्षेता धन की ही थिला. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow and along with the rain very large hailstones began to fall. किंतु हाथट एका प्रबाला पबाना प्रबाहिता हेबाकु लगिला बामता साहिता बरसा बहुटा बड़ा क्वापथारा बरसा आरंभा काला. These truly did resemble new silver coins. ई घुरी का प्रकृतारे नुताना रूपा मुद्रा सदृसा थिला. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. बलकमाने बरसारे निजाकु प्रकसाकारी क्वापथारा मोती संग्रह करीबाकु दौरी गले. "It's really getting bad now," exclaimed the man. लुकती कीतकारा कारी कहिला, वर्तमाना प्रकृतारे हा खरापा हुयाऊची. I hope it passes quickly. ममसा करूची एहा सिघरा अतिक्रमा करीबा. उद्धरण चिन्ह. It did not pass quickly. ଏହା ଶୀଘ୍ର ପାସ୍ କାରିଗଲା ନାହିଁ। For an hour the hail rain on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. एका घंटा प्रेम घरा, बगीचा, पहाड़ा ऊपरी कुआपथारा बरसा होइथिला. The field was white, as if covered with salt. समग्र उपत्यका ऊपरी क्षेता धला हयथिला. सते येपरी लुनारी अछड़ीता, not a leaf remained on the trees. गच्छा ऊपरी गोटी पत्र रहिला नहिम. The corn was totally destroyed. सस्यक सीतागुरिका संपूर्ण नष्टा होइगला. The flowers were gone from the plants. फुलगुरिका उद्भिद गुडिकरु कालिगले. लेंचो's soul was filled with sadness. लेंसों का आत्मा दुख हरे परिपूर्ण थिला. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, "A plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn." येते बेले झारा काली गला. अतिक्रमकारी से क्षेत्र मझेरे थिया होई निजा पुत्र मनन को कहिला. पंगापलारा महामारी एहथरो अधिका चढ़ी छंते. कुआपथारा किची चढ़ी नहिम. कालिता बरसा अमारा कौनसी सस्या रहिबा नहिम. Thank you for watch my video.